Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can voice record on Windows 11. We'll show you how to use a program to save a voice clip on your computer, which you can keep for later or share with someone else. Maybe you want to do this for work or send a message to someone. Stay with us till the end and we'll also show you how to post-process the sound. First, we need to mention that Windows has a sound recorder. To open it, left-click on the Start button, and then in the search bar, type in sound and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the sound recorder app. It's a light app. You can left click on the record button over here and it will immediately start recording. You can press the pause button with the left click and to resume with another left click, and when you're ready you can stop the recording. This immediately saves it to the computer and you can see it over here on the left. It appears on the list. If you make multiple recordings, they will appear there as well. To browse the file on the computer, you can right click and click on Show in Folder, and this will open the location. You can also, for example, save it on your desktop at this point if you want to have a record of it. But this app doesn't offer you any possibilities, so you can't increase the volume or do other things with it. We're gonna show another app called Audacity if you want something more advanced. Double left click on Microsoft Edge to open your browser, or any browser you have for that matter, and in your search engine type in Audacity and press enter. We're looking for the website that says audacityteam.org. When you're ready, left click on the link and it will open the website. We're going to close the other tab, and here we need to go to the download section. Left click to open it. On this page the download will begin, but it takes a while, so if it doesn't actually start, you can just left click on the link that says download for Windows over here and just select the latest installer. When you want to start recording, just left click on the record button over here, and it's the same as in the Windows sound recorder. You can see the progress. You can pause by using the button over here, click again to resume, and when you're ready you can left click on stop. Like we promised, you can use Audacity to improve the volume. So if you click on the gray bar at the top over here, it will select the current sound clip. Then you can go to Effect over here, left click, and then hover over volume and compression, and then left click on Normalize. Leave the settings as they are, and then left click on Apply. And as we can see, now we have a beautiful sound recording. When you want to export it, left click on File, hover over Export, and left click on Export as MP3. Okay guys, that's it. Maybe now you want to send a message to your loved ones. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.